Hello guys, welcome today on Saturday. Yes, it's weekend. Saturday, September the 18th, 2021. I've already solved 2 puzzles in this additional with 6 extra puzzles or binaries. And the last puzzle I will do today is a tectonic with 4 stars. So it should be a hard one. And this one will be number 3414. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 16 printed digits. Could be a hard one, could be an easy one. Alright, so let's get started. And the first question is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here 2 single boxes, always a 1. Okay, here 1 and there 1. Then the following question, dual boxes. Do we have any dual boxes here? No. Triple boxes. Do we have a triple box here? No. Quadro box? Well, I see here a quadro box. 4 boxes in an L shape. If you see an L shape with 4 boxes, remember the inside box is always a 5. Okay. No quadro boxes here. So the following strategy is to recognize some shapes. Yeah. For example, the L shape. We have here this L shape or L figure, L structure or L construction, whatever you name it. This L shape, let me draw this. Remember, if you see the L shape, come on. The L shape, this box has always the same number as that box. Okay, so this box has always the same number as that box. Okay. Do we have more L shape? No. Then the following shape, this shape here. We have a shape here. If you see this kind of shape, this box has always the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. More of this kind of shape here, another one but rotated. This box has always the same number as that box. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Here we have this shape. Remember, this box has always the same number as that box. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. Here another one but rotated. This box has always the same number as that box. Here, oh, I overlooked the L shape. This box has always the same number as that box, the L shape. Overlooked. Okay, then the last figure I see, the Z construction or Z shape. Okay, remember that this box is always the same number as that box. So this box has always the same number as that box. But also that box has always the same number as this box. Okay, so the Z construction has always 2 boxes with the same number with the other box. Okay, and then we have here 4 shapes or figures that you need to recognize. In this puzzle we have 4, but there are more. Not in this puzzle, but there are more. If you recognize these 4, then it's easy for the next step. The next step is, let's get starting filling the numbers. All right. Let me see. This okay, this box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. If I place a 1 here, this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. But we already have a 1 here, so it cannot be a 1. It's not the solution to place the 1 here. The only place for the 1 should be there. Okay. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. This box can be a 1, this box can be a 5, so the 1 and the 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair, 1 and a 5. Let me mark those. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3, and this box is connected with that box, should be also 1 and a 5, but we already have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This box should be a 5, and that box should be a 1. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. Okay. 2 numbers left in this Z construction for the numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 3 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 5 and 3. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 3 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. These 3 boxes can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Those 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Let me see. Yeah. Well, I think this box should be a 3, because it can be 1, can be 2. Should be a 3, can it be 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 3. Okay, I think this box should be a 2, because it can be 1. Should be a 2, can it be 3, can it be 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 2. Oh, alright, I think this box should be a 3, because it can be 1, can it be 2, should be a 3. Can it be 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 3. Okay. I think this box should be a 2, because it can be 1, it should be a 2, can it be 3, can it be 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 2. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. And this box is also connected with that box, should be also a 2. These 2 boxes can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 1 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. I think this box should be a 1, because it can be 2, can it be 3, can it be 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. Let me mark those. 4 and 5, that means this is connected with each other. Should be also 4 and 5. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place the 1 here, otherwise I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes, so it's not the solution to place the 1 here. The 1 should be there. Okay. Alright. I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can it be 2, can it be 3, should be a 4, can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 4. I think this box should be a 1, because it cannot be a 2, it's in the same area. Can it be a 3, can it be 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 3 and 5. Alright. Okay, 10 minutes already passed. This box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that those two boxes can be a 4 because we have a double 4 there. So one box left for the 4 should be there. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 4, and I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes here. One box left in this area for number 3. This box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. 2 boxes left in this L shape for the numbers 3 and 2. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box will be a 3, and this box will be a 5. Okay. 1 and a 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can it be a 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 3. Okay. Let me see. 1, 2. Ooh. 4 and a 5. 4 and a 5. We have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be a 2, should be a 3, can it be a 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 3. 2 numbers left for the numbers 2 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 3. This box can be a 3. Those 2 boxes can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 4. Those 2 boxes can be a 4, so the 4 could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 2. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. This box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here, and I've eliminated 2, so the 2 goes there. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. Let me mark those. 4 and 5. This box is connected with that box, should be also 4 or a 5. This box cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 4, 5, 3. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Well, this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can it be 2, can it be 3, should be a 4, can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 4. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 5. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here, and I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there, and I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes here. 1 box left in this area for the number 2. Finish in 14 minutes. All right. 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. 2 stars? No. It's definitely a 1 star because I'm faster than 15 minutes. So I'm very, very pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the Tectonic, playlists for the binaries, playlists for the letter Sudokus. I have also playlists for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus. And also a playlist for the heavy, for the medium, for the light, for the killer, all kind of Sudokus or puzzles. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, guys, and you'll find them all. Again, thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Saturday, and we will meet again tomorrow on Sunday. See you then. Bye bye for now.